Hey guys, and today, oh yes, it is, sorry. Cut, please, please, please. What? All right. Cut. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be actually organizing my fidgets again, I think. Because I don't know if I uploaded a video yet that I did it, because it says I couldn't upload it, but I have to undo all my fidgets that I did in that episode in here. So take it out. Make cheese. I love my cheese. And guys, I might also be doing a trading video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this has all my fidgets in it, and it has wacky tracks, my globbles, my air globbles, my marble meshes, my stress balls, my infinity cube, my wacky tracks, my monkey needles, and comment down below what these are actually called, because IDK what they're called, I don't know at all what those little things are called. Are they called massage rings? Are they called finger rings? I call them finger rings. So first let's put my scented wax melt. So this is my mochi bin. It has all my mochis in it. But my mochi is actually kind of hairy and dirty because of my dogs. But yeah. Whatever. Let's put that on top. Actually, I think I'm going to put my jumbo little big boy in here. It's already really dirty. This sticks to everything. Put that in there. Next, let's put my scented wax melts. And next, let's put my mochis. Next, let's put my poppets. My circular green poppet and my square rainbow. Lay them up nicely and plop them in nicely there. Good. Now I'll put my squishy down. Next I'll put my Play-Doh. Because yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. What do I keep saying? But yeah, I don't care. Rhymes. Okay, put them in and my sound. And then I'm done. That's way more organised than normal now. If I can show you. Say hi to the camera, Mum.
Hi. You're not on live, are you?
No. So here what it looks like. It looks really bad, I know, but I think it's worth it. But this video is very short, but well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.